So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your Snapchat text look bigger, but only the Snapchat, not all in your all iPhone. Now, in order to do it, first of all, let me quickly show you how my Snapchat looks right now. It looks something like this. Now, again, if you want to make it bigger, simply open settings. In the settings, go to accessibility. Here, scroll down till the last, you will find this option of per app settings. Go over there, hit on this option of add app, find the Snapchat in the list right there. Once the Snapchat is selected, click on Snapchat, click on larger text and make the text size according to you. Once you are satisfied, again come back. And if I now open Snapchat and go to chat section, you'll notice the Snapchat text will now look bigger. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.